I am uncertain if you are aware, but irrespective of the country you enter, there is a contract, an agreement between us for entry into that specific country, either through obtaining a visa or as a citizen. So, in that country, you enter by promising to abide by the rules that represent the whole society and all the people in that country, whether it's your own country or a foreign country. Therefore, what is expected from a Muslim is that when he makes a promise, when he puts humor into any contract, when he becomes a party to it, he should respond with honesty, even if it is with non-believers. God. When the Prophet entered into a treaty with the disbelievers, as long as they treat you honestly, that is, in a straight and fair manner, you should also treat them in the same straight and fair manner. Therefore, on our side, betrayal, no, we do not betray the other side. We do not throw the agreement on the ground. We said so, but we do not betray by doing so anymore. In terms of that, we are unable to even do this in a foreign country. Imagine any infidel country you can think of. Because regardless of the number of infidels, the individuals there are our intended audience. Muslims behave like this, they are honest. Why are they honest? This is the requirement of religions. The Creator in their own religion commands them to treat foreigners with honesty. They call their gods the Creator, we call them Allah. In this way, you know that Islamic traders who trade with the Far East, today Indonesians and Malaysians, who have even more Muslim population than Turkey, became Muslims like this. Traders, when dealing with Muslim traders, looked at their manners while sitting, standing up, and said, "We also want this religion. How beautiful it is." Thus, the Messenger of Allah cautions, beware of falsehood and maintain a safe distance from it to safeguard your well-being. One of the valuable pieces of advice given by Allah's Messenger is to practice silence. It is crucial to be careful and stay away from lies, as they can have harmful consequences. What does lie mean, etc.? If you say so, the Messenger of Allah says, do not say that, because indeed, lying leads to immorality, transgression, excess, and an increase in wrongdoing. Usury leads to hell. Even though lying may seem small, may seem simple, the next step leads the person to excesses, to emergencies, and that makes them hellish. We, the children of the Ummah, who have entrusted our ears, must faithfully carry out our presence on whichever side we are in any economic plan or from any other perspective, without resorting to betrayal until the very end, as you said. We, the kids of the Ummah, who have trusted our ears, must faithfully execute our presence on whichever side we are in, any economic plan or from any other perspective, without resorting to betrayal until the very end, as you mentioned. We, the offspring of the Ummah, who have confided in our ears, must faithfully implement our presence on whichever side we are in any economic plan or from any other perspective, without resorting to betrayal until the very end, as you articulated.